Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mr. B. Today for breakfast we'll be making mushroom and brie cheese omelets. Here are the ingredients that we'll be using. 2 eggs, a couple of tablespoons of water, salt and pepper. We're going to use some sauteed mushrooms, sliced. We're going to use some sliced green onions and brie cheese that's cut into small pieces. Also, we're going to be using clarified butter. Okay, let's get started. First thing we need to do is preheat our nonstick pan. You want this pan to be smoking hot when you get started making the omelet. We've got 2 eggs here, and we're going to scramble it with 2 tablespoons of water. We're going to season it with just a pinch of salt and some black pepper. Once the pan is hot, we'll go ahead and put about a tablespoon of clarified butter in there. Or you can use any other oil that's got high smoke point. See the smoke? Go ahead and put this in. What you want to do is push in the eggs as it's cooking. Just tilt it counterclockwise or clockwise, however you'd like. Okay. And once you get it to this consistency, what you could do is start putting in about some mushrooms there, slices of brie, and for the mushrooms and the brie, just save a few for the filling. Okay, a little bit of green onions. From this point, just make sure it's loose. Loosen it up, because what we're going to do is we're going to flip it. So here we go. There's the flip. Turn your heat to low and start putting the rest of the ingredients back in there, the mushrooms, the cheese, and the green onions. And just a little bit more. Okay? A couple of grinds of peppercorn, or black pepper, and we're ready to plate. Turn off your stove. And here we go. Okay. And there is your mushroom and brie cheese omelet.